Welcome back to this next module. We're going to talk about writing good ads. And when I say good ads, I mean ads which people are likely to click on and hopefully end up converting into a lead or a sale. You don't want clicks just for the sake of clicks. You want good clicks that really result in people doing what you want them to do. Alrighty. So when you go to create your campaign, you'll see that the standard format for ad that you can create is what's called a responsive search ad. That means that you have 15 possible headlines, of which only 3 will be chosen for your ad. Each headline has a character limit of 30 characters, and you also have 2 descriptions, but you can add in 4 possible descriptions, of which each description is 90 characters. So you've actually got quite a lot of real estate in your ad in order to write a good ad. Alrighty. So bear in mind, I actually don't put all 15 possible headlines in there. Sometimes we'll only put 6 or 7 or something. And Google, as I said, is going to find the best combination for those headlines and possible descriptions. One tip that I do have is often I like to put whatever is the keyword that I'm bidding on in that ad group as my headline, and I will pin that headline to position 1. What does pinning mean? It basically forces Google to show a certain headline in a certain ad position, headline position. So if I pin headline 1 to position 1, it will always show first. So as an example, let's say I'm a dentist, and somebody types, I'm bidding on the keyword dentist Bondi. I'll put that as my main headline, like dentist in Bondi, and I'll pin that into position 1, because you really want good ad relevance. You want people, when they go to Google and they've typed in, dentist Bondi, they're looking for a dentist in Bondi, right? So you want it to match that. Obviously, only when it's relevant. If you're not in Bondi, I actually wouldn't do that, because you're going to get a lot of clicks, but then people are going to be like, well, you're not in Bondi, I'm going to leave, basically. So you do it where it's within reason, but really you've kind of got to think about having, as I said, good ad relevance, so matching what somebody's typed into Google to what your ad should say. Alrighty. You can also incorporate ad extensions to your ad, which are, as it sounds, extensions to your ad. And for example, a call extension is really good to add to your ad. Site links, call outs, there's a whole array actually of ad extensions that are appended to your ad. They do not cost any more at all, and in fact Google recommends you add them, because that you actually end up taking a lot more real estate, taking up a lot more real estate in the Google search listings. And if you do I like to do this like a Google search on your phone. So I might type in dentist Sydney, and you'll see an ad that's got all the ad extensions. You could possibly kind of take up the whole real estate on a mobile phone, which is really what you want, all for the same cost of just a single click. Still to this day, I still see people not using all the possible ad extensions available to them. Definitely want to have a look at that. If you're not sure what I'm talking about, or you're not sure how to do it, click on the link below. Check out my Google Ads for Local Business course. It walks you through exactly how to do that, but you definitely want to do that as well. Alrighty, so stay tuned for the next module, and I hope this video is helpful.